Hello, today we will guide you through how to give access to Meta Business Suite account. To get started, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct business account. This is important, especially if you manage more than one account, because you want to send access from the right business profile. Once you're on the Meta Business Suite home screen, look to the bottom left corner of the page and click Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage business users, permissions, and account access. After the Settings page opens, move to the top right area of the screen and click Invite People. This is the option Meta provides when you want to give another person access to your Business Suite account. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a moment to fully load, since the settings area can sometimes take a few seconds. Next, enter the person's email address in the invitation field. Be sure to type the email carefully so the invitation goes to the correct recipient. If possible, use the email address they actively monitor, since they'll need to receive and accept the invite to complete the process. Once the email address has been entered, click Next to continue. This moves you to the part of the setup where Meta will guide you through assigning the appropriate access. At this stage, it's a good idea to read each screen carefully so you choose the correct permissions for that person's role. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Meta may ask you to confirm what level of access the person should have, and you may also be asked to select which assets or areas of the business they can work on. Take your time here, because the access you choose determines what they will be able to view or manage inside the account. When everything is complete, the invitation will be sent, and the person you invited will need to accept it before access becomes active. If they don't receive it right away, you may want to ask them to check their spam or junk folder. And that's it. That's how to give someone access to a Meta Business Suite account. If you're sharing access with team members, partners, or support staff, always make sure you grant only the level of access they actually need. This helps keep your business account secure while still allowing the right people to do their work efficiently.